Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ford Ecosport without a traditional key. First, ensure your vehicle is in a safe, well-lit area. We will cover gaining entry to your vehicle, even if your key fob battery is completely dead. Then, we will walk through the process of starting the engine using the backup methods provided by Ford. Finally, we will discuss crucial tips to keep in mind for both convenience and security. Let's get started with accessing your vehicle. Once your key fob battery is depleted, you can still enter your Ecosport. Carefully slide the small release button on the side or back of your key fob. This action will reveal a traditional metal key. Insert this physical key into the keyhole, typically on the driver's side door handle, and turn it to unlock. If the Ford Pass app is set up, you might also remotely unlock your vehicle using your smartphone, offering another convenient entry option. Now that you are inside, it's time to start the engine. Even with a dead key fob battery, your Ecosport has a backup starting method. Look for a small slot, often located in the center console near the cup holders or sometimes on the steering column. This is the key fob backup slot. Place your key fob directly into this slot. Then, with your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the engine start/stop button. The vehicle should now start. Remember, these methods are primarily for emergencies. It is crucial to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible after using these backup starting procedures. A new battery typically costs only a few dollars and is easy to install. Always consider keeping a spare, working key fob in a secure and easily accessible location, perhaps at home. Finally, always refer to your Ford Ecosport's owner's manual for specific details and additional troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.